wherever you are tuning in from, thank you for tuning in, and I have a very, very special video today. This video is going to go over Oortech Cloud and our first services, which is our decentralized storage solutions. So this is our front-end facing website here in which you could join the beta, so feel free to kind of go on this link if you're interested, and you could join this beta. Now, what is this solution? There's a pain point in our industry today in interacting with distributed or decentralized file protocols are very, very difficult to use. Sometimes you actually have to use a command line interface, and that can be very tempting for, let's say, a basic user who's very used to a web interface. So what we've done is created a solution that allows you to use a very, very seamless web interface to create an experience that is similar to creating an S3 bucket on AWS, or is similar to dragging and dropping your files in Dropbox or G Drive. So I'm going to showcase this today, and this is powered by Compute Coin Network. However, we feel as we offer these services, we are making this cloud. So the name of it is Oortech Cloud. Very exciting stuff. Let's hop right in. So when you get to Oortech Cloud, you'll obviously have your traditional Web 2 login here. In my case, I'll log into my account. It's already created. So when you log in, you'll first have a screen here. If it's your first account, you won't have any buckets. In my case, I've already done some tests here, so we'll check those out in a minute though. Through here, I'm going to create 2 buckets, upload some files, and then show you where those files are actually stored on the underlying network. So first, let's work with Crust Network. As we know, Crust Network has a IPFS gateway to store your files. So I'll just name it CRU bucket, and I'm going to change the storage provider here. Right now in our beta, we only have 2 storage providers. We have Crust Network in storage with a J. As we grow our protocol, we'll continue to add more and support more. Now there's some additional information and optional things that you could do if needed, but for today's demo, we're just going to show a simple file upload and where that file is stored. So I've named my bucket, and now it's created. So here's my Crust bucket, and we can see there's a little warning here. The access is public, right? It's stored on the IPFS network, which is public. Anybody could see it if they find it. So right now we have nothing in this Crust bucket, and if I am to upload, I could create a folder first, but I'm just going to directly upload some files or objects. I could drag and drop files. In this case, I'm just going to add a file using the button. I like to do it the hard way. So I have a simple JPEG that I'd like to add here. And once we have it in our kind of cache here, we could click Upload. And as quickly as that, the JPEG has now been uploaded. So now in the background, what Compute Coin is actually doing is it's actually sending that JPEG over to an IPFS gateway, and that IPFS gateway is pinning it all over the Crust network. So let's see that in a visual form. By clicking our name here, which is the name of the file, we could see the provider status, and I could see the details on Crust. So by clicking this here, I'll now go to an IPFS gateway. We can see right now that here's all the locations that our file is stored, 4 out of 4, which is great. Now, storage takes a further decentralization to their files, utilizing RAID Solomon, and it's actually done in a private way. So now I want to showcase here creating a storage bucket, and this time I'm going to upload a folder. And storage network is chosen. I'm not going to worry about the additional information. Here's my storage bucket. Again, we click upload. And this time I want to add a folder. And this folder has a GIF in it and an actually 35 megabyte, I believe, video. So this time we're also going to see an animated GIF stored on the storage network and a video stored on the storage network. Got a little warning from my browser there. That's okay. 33 megabytes. And we'll upload that. Now this is going to take a minute, so It's actually going to go quicker than I thought. No need to pause the video. And now what this is doing is Compute Coin Network is directly interfacing with the storage network. It's passing through the file in an encrypted way. The storage network is then distributing the files and cutting them up into multiple pieces using RAID Solomon and sharding and deploying it across their network. So once this is complete, we can see this file and folder here. Let's go back into this bucket. We can see the file of the folder here is named storage upload. It kept the folder name, very good. So I could go into this folder here and I could see my video and my GIF. So if I go into my GIF here, I could see the further details on the storage network. I could see my animation here. I could share this link if I wish to, and other people could download it. And we can see right now 80 storage nodes are storing a piece of this file. Now as the sharding continues, more and more nodes will continue to store the file, making it more and more distributed and more decentralized. A cool little neat thing I want to show here is a playback on a video. So this was a previous video. It plays like a YouTube video, which is amazing. And I could scrub to any point and it plays straight from there. So as we can see, we could skip around here. And it's as if I'm on a YouTube. So just a cool showcase here. And we can see again, as the base, this is stored on 80 storage nodes. As it continues to populate and distribute, it will obviously increase. So, very good stuff. I have some previous buckets here that I've done as a test. They were only uploaded not even 20 minutes ago, but let's see if additional nodes are storing my video here. Still 80, but we can see the nodes are in different places. So if we look on this map here, we can see we're heavily densed in Europe, very distributed here, not so much in the United States. We can see this animation plays just okay. If we go to my other storage bucket, we go back to this video, we can see this is distributed in different places. We can see we have a node here in China that's storing it, or Japan. We can see this video has a node that's storing it out in Hawaii. We have some down in South America. So it's very nice to have this visual and kind of see the different places that the file is being distributed to. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope this quick walkthrough helps you understand our new service and solution that's coming out. I'm very excited to continue adding things to the stack here. And if you feel something should be added, whether that be a feature or a protocol or a network that we could support, I'd love to have your recommendation. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.